Hi, and welcome to Weekly NewsTube, the place to find the most recent news on your favorite topics. Today is episode 3 of Cooking and Baking, Wednesday's weekly video.
Horseradish is an uncommon ingredient and is most commonly used in sauces. To make an amazing horseradish sauce, mix a few teaspoons of grated horseradish with a few tablespoons of aioli. This sauce can go on roasted vegetables like carrots and cauliflower.
Jackfruit is well known for its enormous size, but there are very few recipes that use jackfruit due to its meat-like texture. One recipe uses jackfruit by cooking it on the stove with barbecue sauce for 5 to 10 minutes. The fruit substitutes for barbecue chicken.
Turmeric root can be used in drinks and meals. To make turmeric tea, juice the root, take out any pulp and heat the liquid to your liking. Dry any remaining root. With the dried root, ground it into a powder and mix it into any eggs, vegetables, smoothies, rice, and soups.
Dried mushrooms are very uncommon, as most people prefer to use fresh mushrooms. To start preparing the dried mushrooms, place the mushrooms into a closed pot with boiling water. After letting that sit for over an hour, the mushrooms can be chopped up and added to any sauces, pastas, and salads.
We hope to see you this Friday for our sports and health segment. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part of the video down below.